Okay, so n is equal to negative 21 or negative 20, but number of times cannot be negative. But number of terms can't be negative. So therefore, number of times n is equal to 20. The question number 8, part A, is here. Then part B, Jennifer saved shilling 6 million in a saving bank whose interest rate was 10%, compounded annually. Find the amount in Jennifer's savings account after 5 years. So number 8, part B. B, principal P is equal to 6 million. Then rate is 10%. T is 1 year. Then the number of years is 5. Then from P, AN, this one is equal to P, then times 1 plus RT of 100, then power N. N is number of years. So AN amount after N years, after 5 years. So A5, this one is equal to P, 6 million, times 1, plus rate is 10, times 1 over 100. Then N is 5. So this one is equal to A5 is equal to 6 million times 1 plus 10 divided by 100 is 0.1. Then power 5. So A5, this one is equal to 6 million times 1.1. Then power 5. Then we introduce logarithm, both sides. So log A5, this one is equal to log of 6 million times 1.1 power 5. By laws of logarithm, when we multiply, so we add, this one we add, so log of A5, this one is equal to log of 6 million plus 5 log 1.1. So log of A5, this one is equal to log 6 times 1 million. Then plus 5, then log 1.1. So log A5, this one is equal to, by laws of logarithm, this is log 6 plus log 1 million, it is 10 power 6. Then plus 5 log 1.1. So this one is equal to log A5. This one is equal to log 5. When you read log 6 by using mathematical tables, log 6 is 0.7. This one is 0.7782. Then plus this one is 6 plus 5 times log 1.1 is 0.04. Then 131. So log A5, now log A5, this one is equal to 0.7782 plus 2, it is 6.7, then 782, then plus 0.0413 times 5, this one is 5, then this is 15, 5, then 5, 6, then 5 times 4, it is 20, 0, 0, it is 2.0, 0.2. So we add 6.7782, then 0.20655. So this one is 5, then 7, then 14, 8, 9.6. So log of A5, this one is equal to 6.98, then 4, then 8. So A5 is equal to antilog of 6.9848. So A5, this one is equal to antilog of that one. This one, it is 9,664,000, then 140 hundreds. The value of A5. Question number 8 is over. Question number 9. Find the value of sine of 150 times cos of 315 over tan of 300 without using mathematical tables. Question number 9, part A. Sine of 150 times cos of 315 divided by tan of 300. So sine of 150, this one is found in second quadrant. Sine is positive. Sine is positive. If you have the first quadrant, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. These all trigonometric ratios are positive, but second quadrant sine is positive, and here tan is positive in third quadrant, and here cos is positive. So the acute angle of 150, now sine of 150, this one is equal to sine of 18 minus 150, which is equal to sine of 30. This one is equal to 1 over 2. Then cos of 315, now it is found in quadrant 4. Cos is positive, but acute angle of 315 is cos of 315, this one, is equal to cos of 360 minus 315, which is equal to cos of 45. This one is equal to square root 2 over 2. The last one is tan of 300. This one, it is found in quadrant 4. Where tan is negative. So tan of 300, this one is equal to negative tan of 360 minus 300, which is equal to tan of 60. But this is negative tan of 60. Tan of 60, it is negative square root 3. So therefore, sine of 150 cos of 315 divided by tan of 300, this one is equal to 1 over 2 times square root 2 over 2 over negative square root 3. If we multiply this one, this is square root 2 over 4 divided by square root 3. Then we rationalize the denominator. So that one, it is square root 2 over negative 4 square root 3 times 4 square root 3, then over 4 square root 3. So this one is 4 square root 6 divide, but this is negative. This is 16 times 3. By 4 is 1, by 4 is 4. So this one is equal to negative square root 6 over 12. So the value of sine of 150, cos of 315 over tan of 300, it is negative square root 6 over 12. Then part B, calculate the angles of triangle which has sides 4 meters, 5 meters, and 7 meters. 9B. Triangle this is A, B, C. Okay, A, B, the sides, the length of their sides is 4, 5, and 7. So this is 7 meter, and this is 5 meter, 4 meter. Then by using